everyone, I'm Elsie from batch 1 and 8. Today I'm going to present to you how to prepare the milk formula. Before we get started, we have to wash our hands first. Put some liquid soap. Pat dry using a paper towel. Cut. Materials to be needed in preparing a milk formula are the bottles, an air pot, a measuring cup, a knife, and the milk formula. First, we have to put water on the bottle using the hot water. Put it on the bottle and get the milk formula. Use the knife to get the exact measurement. And then we get the nipple and put it on. Put the cover and then shake it. Okay. Then we have to test the water if it's hot on our wrist. Okay. If it's okay, the milk formula is ready for feeding. Hello everyone, I'm Elsie from batch 188. Today we're going to present to you how to feed the baby. After we have tested the milk, if it's not hot or it's just okay to feed the baby, if it's okay, we put in the mouth. Just elevate the baby like this and then let him suck the nipple. Put the nipple and allow him to feed. Okay. Then after the baby fed, it's time for him to take the burp. The way we can burp the baby, we have two ways. It's like this, and just tap his head, tap his back. Cut mo muna. After we fed the baby, it's time for him to burp. There are two ways in burping a baby. One, can sit him holding his head like this and tap his back. Or the other one, allow the baby on your shoulder like this and tap again the back. This is how we do burping a baby. Ito na siya.